Okay, bottom of the deck, Ten of Pentacle, as I saw. So what I see is that you are coming out of a situation which was emotionally draining. Okay, so maybe somebody took you for granted when you were trying to work on a situation with someone. Okay, you were invested a lot in this connection, but they just took you for granted and they might have left you out in the cold. Or maybe they just abandoned you for some of you, or maybe they just showed you the door. Like they basically did not respected your effort in the connection, and they left you when you wanted it the most. Okay, so it's like they took help from you, but when you wanted things back, when you wanted their support in your life, they left you. Okay, but you are not very much bothered by it, which is something which I see from the Strength card. So I think no matter how much this person tried to destroy you on a physical level, on an emotional level, on financial level, some of you, this person literally took away your money, or they tried to hurt you financially. Okay, maybe they took away your money or something like that. Whatever they did to you, you are not losing your calm, is what I see. So you are handling the situation really, really well with the Strength card, and it is not the outer strength, but it is the inner strength that you guys have, which you guys are maintaining in a situation, and you are working out the situation really well. So you are transiting through this Five of Pentacle moment with a lot of inner strength and courage. Okay, and with the Page of Pentacle, I see that you are balancing the situation really well. Okay, you are not losing your shit basically. Okay, so that's what I see. So whatever it is, it's not getting to a point where it is making you crumble. You are not crumbling. Like this other person thought that they will destroy you, but they couldn't destroy you. With the Ten of Pentacle, I see that be it financially, be it personally, be it emotionally, you are standing your ground tall. Okay, the situation is not breaking you down. Whatever you went through, it was very tough, and it was almost done to you so that you would break down, but you did not. So it's a win-win situation. Congratulations, Pisces. And I'm a Pisces rising myself, and people have been doing things around me to break me, but the inner strength is supporting me. So yeah, you are always trying to see that light at the end of the tunnel, which is great. So we have Nine of Cups. I see some of your wishes are being answered. As much as this is a love reading, but this looks to me like your money is good, or your money is about to expand very much. Okay, with the Nine of Pentacles, sorry, the Nine of Cup and the Ten of Pentacles, I see that your monetary wishes are being granted. Some of you will be doing really, really well in your finances. Okay, or you will get ways in which you will be making more money. And if you have any wishes that's for your personal life, I see those being granted. And maybe right now you are in this sort of stage where you are taking help of your career and finances to have your mental sanity. Okay, so you might be one of those people who, if they do not have their career sorted, they cannot focus on other areas of life. So I think you are one of those people, and your career is being sorted. Okay, your career is doing well, and because of which you're having that mental sanity. Okay, so wishes being granted and a lot of abundance coming your way, a lot of money coming your way. Okay, and it's not something which is handed down to you. I see that you're working your butt off and it's paying you back. Okay, see, Ten of Cups. Woohoo, guys. So a lot of emotional stability coming in, a lot of financial stability coming in right now. I think you're very much focused on 10. Okay, like Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles. You don't want anything which is less than that. Okay, you are putting work so that you achieve the highest level of stability, highest level of money, or whatever. Like you want things which are which are best of your capability. So that is why you're putting in a lot of work which is best of your capability, and you being rewarded equally as well. Okay, which is great. So let's see in love, what is in love for Pisces specifically. Knight of Pentacles. There could be an earth sign that's coming towards you, or I see that there is someone who's very slow moving, coming towards you, which is also testing your patience. What I see is the 10 of wands and the 2 of wands at the bottom of the deck. I see somebody is really testing your patience. As much as you're not paying attention to love, or maybe right now love is not something which is ruling your life, but there is someone who's testing your patience a lot. So this person is trying to hit nerve. Okay, first of all, this person is too slow, and that could be because they have their finances and career to be sorted. So maybe you are dealing with someone who has their career to be sorted right now, and love is not a priority for them as well. As much as it is not for you, it is not for them. So that is one problem in this connection. And for others of you, I can see a third party situation. And you know, I think in the past you knew that there was a third party situation, and you were still trying to work the situation. Like, in spite of knowing that there is a third party, in spite of knowing that your person was cheating on you, you were trying to save a connection. You know, like, maybe you are one of those women or man, whoever you are, but you might be one of those people who try to see good in other people. Okay, in spite of them doing bad, you just try to, like, you don't see infidelity for infidelity. You always try to see what are the reasons that this person might have cheated on me. Maybe it was a mental breakdown, maybe they had some patterns, maybe this, maybe that. Okay, so you don't see infidelity for infidelity, you don't see cheating for cheating, but you try to find the reason behind that. Okay, because you are so particular in seeing good in others that you try to bend over backwards, and that is what exactly you were doing. So you were trying to save a relationship which had a third party in it, and you knew it, but still you were trying to save it, and ultimately you could not. Okay, and I think that's the 5 of Pentacles moment that you had. Like, in spite of bending over backwards, in spite of doing everything, you couldn't save the relationship because this person chose someone over you, maybe an earth sign or a fire sign. And that was a shocker. I think that was a wake-up call for you, that Pisces, stop giving so much. And that is when you started moving away from this connection, because you saw that this person is not going to behave, so let me just isolate. So that's what the High Priestess energy is. Some of you are psychics, I think, and that is how you knew that there was a third party situation. I'm a Pisces rising myself, and I'm a psychic. This is speaking to me, so some of you, this might be speaking to you as well. So I think this person never confronted to you that there was a third party situation, but your intuition, your gut, your psychic abilities were telling you that there was a third party. But instead of that, you were trying to save it, you could not, and ultimately you had no choice to leave. You had to leave, like, and that was draining. You know, had you left before, it would have been better, but you left when it was almost impossible for you to continue. Okay, so you tried till the very end, but then I think you just ghosted this person. So then I think after giving your 100%, you ghosted this person and you isolated yourself completely. And now I think you're very much in your sanity. Okay, so now you are focusing on your money, you're focusing on your career, you're focusing on your mental stability, and it's paying you back. Okay, you are also meditating. If you are not, you should, or you should try to get involved in some sort of meditation or occult practices, because that's going to give you some sort of sanity that you're missing in your life. What else is coming towards Pisces and love? Okay, so we have the Page of Cups. There could be an apology that's coming in, and the World card. Yeah, here they are. So World card is like start of a new chapter with an apology. So of course this is coming from someone from the past. I see that somebody is seeing your glow with the Queen of Wands. So from High Priestess, which is High Priestess is not someone who will take revenge. Okay, they just keep quiet. Like, when they think the situation is going out of their hand, they will just keep quiet. Okay, so you will not reply back anybody in the same tone. You will simply isolate yourself from the situation, and you will start working on yourself. So I think you did that for some time, but now from last few months, I think you're in your Queen of Wands energy, and a lot of people have their eye on you, because Queen of Wands is very determined, bold, outgoing, confident, sexy, whatever. And because of that, a lot of people have their eye on you, and that is why your ex, okay, the person who was messing up with you, they want to come back and they want to start from the scratch. So I think you will be receiving messages like, let us start from the scratch, why can't we start from the scratch, give me another chance, we will work upon it, and etc. etc. Okay, so somebody is looking for a new beginning with you from the beginning, so they want to start from the start. because they are seeing your glow. Okay, we have the Four of Cups and the Six of Wands. This is the same person who rejected you in the past, or they acted really cold. So in the past, when you were trying to work it out, the situation with them, in spite of them being a narcissist and being in a third party situation, they rejected your offer. But now they see your glow. 601 is you being in the public eye. They are seeing your glow, and that is why they want to come back. So somebody wants to come back. Okay, let's see what are the intention of this person. True intentions towards Pisces. Are they coming with a good intention or bad? What is their intention towards Pisces? So we have Four of Swords and the Eight of Cups. So this person wants to work it out with you. They know that they were the one who messed it up with the Eight of Cups. They were the one who isolated themselves. They were the one who acted cold, and now they want to sort it with you. Okay, some of you, this person is having this realization moment. Maybe they realized after exploring all the other options that you were the best, and that's why they want to come in. Okay, Nine of Pentacles. And yeah, this person is also definitely after your success. So they like you because you are successful. Okay, or you have something, you're beautiful, you're successful. They like you for some sort of outer appearance that you're putting on the social media, or you're radiating some sort of success. Okay, and that's why this person wants to come back. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to work it out with you. They want to cooperate with you. Eight of Swords. This person is very, very stuck. Okay, they feel very stuck after doing whatever they did to you, and they can't move on. So that can be that. And some of you Pisces, I think you're doing really good. You're doing well, money-wise, emotionally, or whatever. But even you are stuck, okay? Like, as much as you should have liberated yourself and moved on, you are also somewhere stuck and you are not able to move on. And that could be because you're looking for a closure from this person, which I see is going to come very soon. So this person is going to come and communicate with you very soon. Taking them back or not is your choice. But yeah, I think this person wants to come back with a lot of clarity and things like, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have done this, and let's start again. And that's because you are a star. Because they want to come back because you are a star. Okay, you radiate that star energy and they want to come back. So yeah, let's see Romance Angel card for you guys. Pisces, this was a beautiful reading. You're doing well. You don't give a fuck, which is cool. All right, give me a message for Pisces. So we have true love. This person thinks that you are their true love. Now, they will try to flirt back. Or I think a lot of people are flirting with you right now, because I see a lot of people have their eye on you. Somebody is going to make an effort towards you. Honeymoon. You might actually go on a travel as well with someone, or maybe alone, whatever it is. I think you will be going on some sort of journeys, travel with the World card as well. Some relocation is also possible, and that could be for work or leisure. Okay. All right, let's take a Moonology card. Give me a Moonology card message for Pisces. Okay, so we have a time to give rather than to take. So this person had only taken in the past, but now they want to give to you as well. I see a slight change in this person's attitude towards you, but the reason behind that is that you are glowing. That's why they want to come back. They see that you're very focused and in your personal life and doing well for yourself. That's why they want to come. Luck is on your side. I see whatever you set your mind right now to especially in work and finances, it's going to get through. And even in relationship, it's you who is going to decide, okay? It's not the other person, it's you. So luck is on your side. A final climax approaches. Wasn't I saying this to you? That someone is coming with a climax. Someone is going to give you a shocker in a good way. This person is going to appear in your life, but taking them back or not is your choice. So yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, then make sure to subscribe. What are you waiting for? Christmas? So we'll see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye.